What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today is another lovely tropical day here in North Queensland, and today I'll be your host, semi above average squid, and today we're following Jacob while we wait for Sam to rock up. So ladies and gentlemen, the reason I'm not riding as we speak, I'm having a run of just not being in peak condition at the moment, so, you know, breaking wrists, hurting my knees, whatever. Now I've got a bit of a flu-y thing going on, so I've just got no aerobic fitness whatsoever. So I'm just gonna slowly make my way up to the summit, just chill, and hopefully not have a coughing fit when I get to the top. Bye.
So you're coming through that area?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, so we're stopping at Hayden's?
Stopping at Hayden's.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
I'm tired already. Can't even remember how rock and roll goes. Woo. Oh, I forgot how nice this is. I can't see shit. Oh, I can't see jack shit. I can't see. Oh, man. Holy far out. Thought I was going off the edge then. Whoa! Don't hit that too hard. I've lost all my momentum. Bloody hell. Ooh. Slippery. Someone's washed you out massively there. Whoa. I miss being fit enough to do this in one easy go. Ooh. I think there's a rock garden here. Yeah. Whew. Ha! Yeah. Oh, finally, a jump that could clear. Yeah. Bit offline here. Ooh, that's washed out too. Woo! Whoa, bloody hell. Hey? You got it or wanna? I actually stopped. Those first washouts, I didn't see them and I nearly came into them at smack, so I just stopped and started again.
Yeah, it was a bit shit.
That first bit was sketch as, I couldn't see the trail.
But normally it's so open, so you feel like you can just fly through there, but you can't see what's around the corner.
Yeah, oh well. The team are doing a very good job getting it up and running again.
Yeah. The trail itself looks like it's not that bad, it's just overgrown.
Yeah, the trail itself is fine, just can't see it. But we will. We will. Oh, man, let's do it. After you. That's a good start. Pedal strike. Fuck, that looks soft when he landed. Don't have corner speed at the moment. Oh my god, he carries some speed. Oh, damn, that's washed out.
Couldn't see it.
Yeah, I couldn't see either. I just had no grip. So many rocks everywhere. That jump is just gone. Nailed it. Oh, that didn't sound healthy. What was that? A tyre fine? Did you guys hear that? Anyway, sounded like something exploded. Yeah, right. Must have landed on a rock or something. I nailed creek jump, but as I've landed, I felt this massive, I heard this massive pop. I thought I exploded the front tyre, so I stopped and checked it over, but I'm thinking a rock just flying up and hit something.
I just slowed right down.
Nailed it. Your turn, Jacob.
Got it.
Oh, way short.
That was actually way further than I thought it was.
Oh, my foot's not on straight. Woohoo! Holy, forgot how soft that is. And I'm knackered. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Peace.